The hands can float down by the sides. And as you breathe in, the arms float up. They circle in front as if you're gathering in energy, bringing in towards the heart and then down towards the earth, sinking the chi. Breathing in and breathing out. Taking as many breaths as you need. Feeling into the body. One more time, sink the chi. And then step one foot out to the side, either foot. The arms float up in front. The arms float down, the knees and hips soften. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, letting go. Opening the door. Starting the journey. Feeling the flow. One more time, opening the door. This time the arms float out to the sides like you're spreading your wings. The arms float down, palms face up. They float up the midline, pressing up overhead, and then floating out and down. Holding up the sky. Opening the shoulders and the chest, lengthening the spine. Breathing in. Breathing out. One more time, holding up the sky. This time the hands float up to the heart. One hand pushes up, the other pushes down, connecting sky and earth. Switching sides. Keeping the spine neutral at first. And if you want, you can do a side bend. Just easing in, nice and easy, nice and slow. One more time, connecting sky and earth. Then the bottom hand comes up, push to the corner, the other hand pushes behind. Coming back to center, push to the other corner, the dragon spreads its wings. Nice and easy, gentle rotation, pushing to the corner. One more time. This time the back hand swings around as if it's gliding on the surface of the water. The other hand comes around as the dragon swings its tail, making little ripples in the water, sending waves out into the distance. One more time, drift across. And then release, round out, hugging the tree, bring it right to center. From here, this hand drops down, tosses away. The other hand circles on top as you step in. And then this hand pushes down, the other one waves in towards the heart as you soften down. Then rising back up, letting go. Breathing in, breathing out. All right, this time, you can step out to the corner. And as you step out, the bottom hand brushes past the knee. The top hand pushes to the corner. Top hand floats down. Bottom hand circles up. Coming back to the beginning, brush knee and push. Circle it around. Once again, don't worry about getting it perfect. Just keep on moving. Continuous flow. One more time, brush knee and push. This time, bottom hand scoops up, the palms face up, the hands draw in, circle out and around. The backs of the hands face each other, and then spiral the palms back up. The mama bear gathers her cubs. Once again, spiraling the energy, the blood flow throughout the body. One more time. Step the front foot back in, circle around, hugging the tree. Then this hand drops down, tosses away. The other hand circles on top as you step in. Both hands together, pushing down and waving in as you soften. Rising up, softening down, breathing in and breathing out. This time, step out to the corner, and as you step out, bottom hand brushes past the knee, top hand pushes to the corner. The top hand floats down, bottom hand circles up. Going back to the beginning, weaving it all together. Brush, knee, and push. Feeling into the body, all the sensations. Nice and slow. One more time, brush, knee, and push. This time, bottom hand comes up, palms face up. The hands draw in, circle out and around, backs of the hands face each other, spiral the palms back up. Mama bear gathers her cubs. Looks like you're moving through the water. One more time. And then step the front foot back in, circle around, hugging the tree. From here, the arms open wide. This hand scoops under the other one on top as you embrace the moon. Then the bottom hand comes up overhead. The other hand pushes down by the hip. Circle it around again. Bottom hand comes up, and you can lean over to the side going up. All right, this time as the bottom hand comes up, the opposite foot touches down in front, tapping down the toes. Step back in, catch the moon. Step back out, white crane spreads wings. Breathing in, breathing out. All right, one more time. White crane spreads wings. All right, this time catch the moon, and then we'll spin the moon, switching sides. The bottom hand comes up, the other hand comes down. Circle it around again. Once again, just the arms. Leaning over to the side going up, which is the bottom arm. This time, as the bottom arm comes up, the opposite foot touches down in front, tapping down the toes. Step back in, catch the moon. Step back out, white crane spreads wings. Breathing in, breathing out. All right, one more time. Step in, catch the moon. This time the arms open up wide and the fingertips drift towards each other as you hug the tree. Step one foot out a little bit wider. This time the palms face each other in front of the heart. And then softening down, the hands come down the center, then they go all the way out to the side, up and over, down the center as we plant the tree. Other side. Breathing in, breathing out. As always, really being kind to yourself. One more time, planting the tree. Circle the arms around, hugging the tree. Step one foot in a little bit closer. And then from here, the arms open up wide. This hand here scoops under. Step in as you catch the moon. This time we'll step out to the side. And as you step out, the bottom arm comes up until it's parallel with the earth. The other hand comes down. Circle it around again, warding off. Expanding and lifting. Breathing in and breathing out. This time, bottom hand scoops under, the fingertips slide down, circle it around again, rolling back. Shifting the weight, going with the flow. One more time. Roll back. This time, toss it away. The arms go out to the side, and the hand folds in, pressing palm to palm. Shift the weight forward. Slide down, toss away. The hand folds in, press forward. One more time, the press. This time the hands separate, draw the hands in towards the heart, and push. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, pushing the mountain. Then sit back and open, wipe across the horizon. Take your time as you step in, catch the moon. Step out to the side. Bottom arm floats up until it's parallel with the earth. Other hands float down. Circle it around again. Ward off. All right, one more time. Breathing in, breathing out. This time, bottom hand scoops under, fingertips slide down, circle it around, rolling back. Going with the flow, really tuning in to the sensations, receiving the energy, and then toss it away. The hand folds in, pressing palm to palm, shift the weight forward, slide down, toss away, fold it in, press forward. One more time, the press, nice and soft. This time the hands separate, draw them in towards the heart, and push. Breathing in and breathing out. One more time, just like the ocean. The tide rolls in, the tide rolls out. And then sit back, open, wipe across. We'll do each movement one time, grasping the bird's tail. Step in and catch the moon. Step out, ward off. Roll back. Toss away. Press. Release. Draw in and push. Sit back, open, wipe across, other side, grasping the bird's tail. Step in, catch the moon, step out and ward off. Roll back. Toss away. Press. Release. Draw in and push. Sit back. This time, hug the tree, bring it to center. From here, the arms open wide. The hands float down by the sides. This time, the arms float all the way up and over, just as much as you can comfortably. Coming back down. This time, you can lift your heels, coming on the balls of your feet if you like. The wild goose rises. And once again, you can always keep your feet flat, or just coming up a little bit is okay. It's okay to wobble. One more time, the wild goose rises. And then circle in front, hugging the tree. From here, both arms drift over to the side, floating down, making two loose fists. One fist goes overhead, the other by the waist. And then switching sides, leaning over to the side going up. And you can look out to the side as well if you like. The tiger hugs its head, just shifting the weight, gentle rotation. All right, then this time if you want, you can lift your leg, touching down as needed. And keep the toe down, lifting it up, anywhere in between. One more time, the tiger hugs its head. Very nice. Then this time, both arms drift over to the side, circle in front, hug the tree. From here, the arms open wide, the hands float down, the palms face up, one hand on top of the other. This hand floats all the way up and over, and then down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up. Breathing out, centering. Calming the heart, calming the mind. One more time, centering. This time, both hands float all the way up and over, just as much as you can. The hands float down to the waist as you soften, and circle in front as if you had a big ball in front of the body, coming all the way around and under. Back up to the heart, and down. One more time, opening the heart, rising up, softening down. This time making a diamond shape with the hands in front of the heart, and then press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. And then turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. Then the hands can float down to the lower abdomen. You can step your feet together. You can close your eyes or keep a soft gaze, letting your body rock and sway ever so gently. Bamboo in the wind. Feeling the sensations in the body. Feel the sensations of the breath. Bring your attention into your heart, expressing gratitude to yourself and anyone else that made it possible for you to be here today. And then if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can come together in front of the heart, and we can finish with a bow. Thanks so much for joining me today. If you like that, this video is part of our monthly calendar program, so please click the first link in the video description below to get your free monthly clickable calendar where you can watch a free class every day or just drop in anytime during the month, and I'll see you there.